Welcome to the next lecture on digital innovation. What are the different types of innovation? There are two types of innovation. One is incremental innovation and the other one is radical innovation. Incremental innovation is nothing but small improvements or enhancements to existing product, service or processes. Incremental innovation. Example, software or smartphone evolution. So, in smartphone evolution, we will always see incremental improvement. Incremental improvement in terms of software, camera, power consumption and better interface. So, these are some of the evolution which happens in smartphone. When we talk about the software updates, the bugs are fixed, and then we also try to enhance user experience. And maintain functionality. So, these two are some examples under incremental innovation. When we talk about radical innovation, it is significant breakthrough or disruptive change that introduce entirely new product, service or business models. For example, electric vehicles are completely different from your fossil fuel engines or vehicles. Okay, fossil fuel is a completely different domain and electric vehicles are different domain. In fossil fuel, the number of parts can be 1000, and in electric vehicles the number of parts can be reduced to 100. The number of moving parts will be less than 50. So, now if the moving parts are less, the friction is less, the efficiency is high. So, a disruptive technology. Earlier we used to use a grass cutter which is powered by a IC engine. Today it is replaced by a battery. So, electric vehicles, right. The next one is cloud computing. It tries to transform the ways businesses in store, process and assess data, providing scalability and flexibility in computing resources. Okay. So, both types play a significant role in driving progress and advancement in technology across industry. So, digital technology, two innovations, incremental and radical. In addition to the incremental and radical innovation, digital innovation can be further classified into product innovation and process innovation. What is product innovation? The product innovation involves developing new or improved products or service to meet customer needs or create entirely novel offering. That is product innovation. So, here we try to have characteristics like customer value, it creating, offering that meet customer needs and preferences. That is the customer value. Novelty is introducing new design that differentiates from the older one, and then the market differentiator is gaining a competitive advantage with unique and innovative products. Okay. So, market differentiator is going to be gaining a competitive advantage with unique and innovative products. So, these are all product innovation. So, let us see product innovation example. Apple iPhone is a prime example for product innovation, revolutionizing the mobile phone industry. With each new generation, Apple introduces innovation features like Face ID, advanced camera, augmented reality capability, enhanced user interface. So, all these things are product innovation. It is incremental, but it happens slowly on a product. So, Apple is one example. In the same way, there can be for a software also, there can be for any product. For example, first the product was made out of steel, now it is made out of plastic, or it was made out of plastic, now it is made out of steel. You can change. Initially it was made out of stainless steel, now it is made out of titanium, then later it will be made out of magnesium. Completely changed, right? So, types of innovation, product innovation, Apple is an example we saw. The next one is process innovation. Process innovation focuses on improving or transforming internal processes, operation or workflow to achieve efficiency, cost reduction and enhanced performance. For example, this is how the business happens. For example, this is an agriculturer or farmer. So, he tries to produce something, it comes to a person 1, and then person 1 connects to person 2, and then person 2 connects to person 3. Person 3 tries to move towards a platform, and then it goes to a customer. So, at every phase 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times people will try to add money. The X can be different, but it will add money, and then it will try to make the material when it goes to the customer expensive. So, now if I can try to introduce a e-commerce platform which directly connects, so all these things can be eliminated. So, that is what a process innovation focuses on improving or transforming internal processes. How does a company work? How does a family work? So, all those things are internal process. Then operation or workflow to achieve efficiency, cost reduction and enhanced performance. So, the processes are used for streamlining and automation. So, that is what we try to talk about IoT today. And then efficiency and productivity, continuous improvement. For these are the characteristics of the process innovation. So, lean manufacturing is a process innovation, minimizing waste, maximizing the value in manufacturing product. For example, we have a clay product wherein which the firing happens in a batch production, whereas the sale happens in a happens piece by piece. Okay. So, in between these two we have to do a packaging. When you do a packaging, we also have to do handling. So, we use today robo, which is very cost effective to handle and to better help in packaging. So, utilizes practices like just in time inventory, continuous improvement. So, all these things are process modification. It also reduces waste, improve quality and increases productivity. So, in addition to product and process, so we also have in digital innovation business model innovation and service innovation. So, innovation, product, process. So, again here incremental, radical. So, product can be 2, process can be 2, and apart from this we are trying to talk about business and service. Okay, business model innovation involves creating or modifying the way a company delivers value, generates revenue and sustains competitive advantage in the market. So, that is business model. How do you reach out to the customers? For example, if you try to put an online purchase of a craft item, so they deliver it within a short time, in a right time, in a right condition, in a right quantity, at the right moment. If they do it, then the delivery value increases. Then when you try to deliver, if it is packed properly in a colorful, attractive box, then delivery value increases. Then this generates revenue and sustains competitive advantage. The characteristics of business model innovation is going to be value proposition. So, wherein which we try to redefine customer value and address their needs. Value proposition. Revenue generation is exploring new revenue streams and pricing model. For example, India today we do a lot of transaction through digital money. We have a wallet, in the wallet, digital wallet, we put money there, and then as and when we scan a QR code, money is getting transferred. Market disruption. So, we try to do disruptive industries and we try to develop innovative business models. So, these are some of the characteristics of business model innovation. So, can we see what is a business model innovation? Example is Airbnb. Business model innovation in hospitality industry was done by Airbnb. So, connected travelers directly with the host for accommodation, disrupted traditional hotel with a unique rental platform, then created new revenue streams for house owners, provides travelers with affordable and personalized lodging options. So, all these things are business innovation. In the same way we can connect with artists, same way we can connect with people who extract honey, same way we can connect with perfume making. So, all these things can be made through digital innovation, wherein which it can try to give a big revenue for the artisans or craftsmen. The service innovation involves creating new or improved services that can provide value, enhance customer experience, address evolving needs and preferences. The characteristics can be customer centric or user centric, which we have already dealt. Then service delivery transformation and differentiation. So, the example is Uber. Uber provides service innovation in the transport industry, mobile app platform for convenient ride booking. So, ride booking initially used to do it as one person, shared driving, all those things. Then you have upfront pricing, driver rating, cashless payment, enhance customer experience, and disruptive traditional taxis with a more convenient and an efficient alternative. This is a service innovation which has happened under digital innovation. So, the key technologies driving digital innovation are going to be artificial intelligence, which mimics human intelligence for tasks like speech recognition and decision making, analyzing data to automated processes and improve efficiency. Big data involves large volume of structured and unstructured data, provide insight for innovation, customer experience and operation optimization. Next is Internet of Things, network of interconnected physical devices and objects, the enabling automation, remote monitoring and data-driven decision making. Blockchain is a new word which is disrupted ledger technology for secure and transparent transactions, ensure trust, transparency and accountability in a big way by using blockchain. These key technologies drive digital innovation, revolutionizing industries and unlocking new opportunities for business and society as a whole. So, here if you look at the digital innovation process, it has idea generation, idea evaluation, concept development, prototype and testing, implementation and evaluation and reiteration. These are the steps which are involved in the digital innovation process. Each stage of innovation process is important for driving a successful innovation. To identify the digital opportunities and challenges, the techniques for identifying opportunity are market research, user feedback and insight, and competitive analysis. Customer need, market trends and emerging technologies are done by market research. Collect feedback to understand user preferences and pain points, which tries to talk about user feedback and insight. Competitive analysis helps to study the competitors' offering and identify market gaps. Then it is experimentation and prototyping. We validate ideas, gather feedback and refine concepts. Collaboration and partnership. We try to collaborate with experts and partner to access resources and knowledge. Agility and adaptability is also a challenge to identify in digital opportunities. So, agility and adaptability, it embrace change, adopt new technology and foster a learning mindset. So, the trends are going to be using AI, blockchain, robotics and data analytics in the area of digital innovation. The augmented reality is also coming up in a big way, which superimposes computer generated images on the real world. Virtual reality creates a simulated environment for user interaction. All these things are coming up in a big way. AR, VR for tourists are also coming up. Today, there is a huge drive in virtual reality towards pilgrimage tour, and wherein which people try to run this VR in their shops so that they get to know more details about the tourist spot and they make a innings out of it. Creates a simulated environment for user interaction, and quantum computing use quantum mechanism principle for complex problem solving. For example, economics, macroeconomics, we try to use quantum computing to solve problems. To summarize the entire lecture, digital innovation involves using advanced technologies and creative approaches to transform traditional practice, improve efficiency and introduce novel solutions. The examples of digital innovation includes virtual reality in education, blockchain in supply chain management, AI in healthcare diagnosis and business models and service models. The key technologies are going to be AI, big data, IoT and blockchain. The digital innovation process involves identifying opportunity and addressing challenges through techniques like market research, customer feedback, skill development and collaboration. These are some of the references. So, I would like to give an assignment. Try to identify digital innovation which has happened in health care industry. At least try to look for 5 innovations. Make a 10-page report and just don't copy the name. It has to be what is the technology, how do they do, how have they improved, what is the pain point for the customer, how did they address. All these things you should try to note down in your assignment and then make a report. Thank you very much for your patient hearing.